I love Japan, but I love Jamaica more than Japan because Jamaica fit me more. You know, Jamaican people more have vibes, attitude, and love to talk to people. You know, more positive vibes to me to can fit me more. Yeah, that's why I feel comfortable when me to Jamaica. Dancehall culture and reggae culture, it's come from Jamaica. I tired to watch the phone to find which one is new dance, whatever, whatever, what's the trending, whatever, whatever. So I don't type of the run dance dancing from the phone. So, oh my God, I have to come back Jamaica quick as possible, you know. So when we go home, when we the airport, and we cry and we start think about when we can come back here. So I just continued doing this. So I just right now I live here. That time I went back Japan for pregnancy, carry out baby. About after she turned 2 years old, I came back to Jamaica because of she's half Jamaican, so she need to know the Jamaican culture and she need to speak English and you know all these things. So I decided to come back here for my daughter.
Nice. And she's learning English and the culture.
Yes.
Welcome back to Global Signal. If you're new here, don't forget subscribe, like, and share. So folks, today we're going to talk about Japan are very obsessed with Jamaica and even speak Patois. Imagine walking through a street of Tokyo and hear someone casually saying something like, Wagwan, Mifi Youth, that's Jamaica Patois, in perfect Jamaica. And this is not a skit or some viral prank. This is real life. Believe me or not, Japan has developed a deep and long-standing fascination with Jamaican's culture, especially reggae music and dancehall. From Jamaican culture, Jamaican language and fashion and lifestyle, Jamaican influence is alive and well in Japan, in Japanese cities, and it goes beyond just surface level vibes. In this video, folks, we are diving into some of the most unexpected cultural connection on earth. Japan's obsession with Jamaica and why some Japanese people are not only vibing with Jamaican dancehall, but also speaking very fluent Patois. So folks, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's meet after the video so that we can talk about it and discuss more about what's happening in Japan and the Japanese communities.
Japan and Jamaica might be twin flames because the way how Japanese people love Jamaican culture, the way how those Japanese people love Jamaican culture should be studied. I was on Japanese TikTok, but I felt like I was on Jamaican TikTok. They were doing all of the latest Jamaican dance moves and even down to the way how they were talking. They were saying blood clot and wagwan. I mean, whatever happened to konnichiwa? Whatever happened to that? How did blood clot and wagwan end up all the way in Japan? And then it was this one Japanese guy. He was speaking Japanese, but in a Jamaican accent. And the same guy in the video was saying that he loved Jamaican pum pum. And I was wondering, like, does he know what he's saying? I mean, I'm pretty sure he knows what pum pum means, but how did pum pum end up all the way in Japan? You know what, though? I love it. Blood clot konnichiwa. Big up on the blood clot konnichiwa self.
All right, introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is IQ.
Where are you from?
Osaka Banang Road.
And where's your second home? Where's your second home?
Jamaica Kingston.
Okay.
Early 2004 or 5, first time in Jamaica. My English teacher is a Jamaican.
Oh, okay. Where in Jamaica was he from?
Montego Bay.
And how was your first experience in Jamaica?
It's like Osaka, you know. People is funny.
Yeah.
And food is nice.
Okay.
Yeah, and pum pum is tight. You don't know.
I think we can end the interview right now. I think that would be
Sounds good. So much.
Your English is really, really good.
No, sir. My English is dirty. It's not the English, you know, Patois, you know.
The internet ear.
What are you looking for?
Me I look for the AC for the ear, Wakanda in ear.
What's that again?
You're not Jamaica.
No, that's different Jamaica. I've never heard that Jamaican in my life. I've been Jamaica.
Are you speak Patois?
Of course I can speak Patois.
How come you understand what I say when I hold the ear?
Nah, because man, that language, man. You know
Sometimes my man when I hold the see for the ear.
And if you're near Kingston, even near Kingston, now, man, there's more the country people speak like you speaking.
Yeah,
You're
me
not
I
town
speak.
people.
Me
You're
I
not a town man. You're a
no,
country man.
me I come there when I see for the ear. Sometimes when I try when I hold the ear.
Ah.
So we I come there under the ear. The people here when I see the ear.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes Wakanda when I hold the ear. When I see the ear.
All right.
Yeah. You
So
know.
what, are you looking for somewhere? Or
Yeah,
direct-
me I look for the ear when I east to the west ear. East to the west.
East, what, you're looking to get to east to west?
No, east to the west Wakanda ear when I ear.
I still can't understand.
Nah, you're not Jamaica, man.
Nah, man. I know many Jamaican. You're the first Jamaican that speaking like that, and I don't understand it.
Yeah, me I speak.
Trust me.
Me I speak the parts on the pass for the ear when I ear.
Nah, man, you speak like a pidgin part, man. That's
Nah.
Jamaican talk.
Me at Jamaica when I east for the ear. Me been here for 2 days when I come here.
Oh, you've been there for 2 days?
Yeah, me I come straight from Jamaica when I
Alright,
only see
you
for the
just been
Wakanda when I ear.
So you're looking for directions?
Yeah, me I look for the one to see the ear, one to ear. When I see the ear, one to ear, one to ear.
I don't still understand. Sorry, man.
Yeah, bless up.
You know what I mean? I met some raw Jamaican patois, but I've never heard that language.
Yeah, me are from the east to the west Jamaica one day.
Yeah, my family's from St. Thomas.
Oh, St. Thomas Day when I
St. Thomas people don't speak like you. Chilan, you got Portmore, and it's different. I know it's different language in different regions, but I've never heard that kind of patois. Trust me, man.
Ah, bless up.
Most man, the only man I gonna understand you is a man from your region, might understand you. And some other neighboring area might understand you.
Man, sometimes me understand me I speak to everybody part of the when I easy from the ear.
Yeah.
So people they want to easy when I say this, when I say when I say.
Yeah.
So when I there Wakanda when I eat there. So depend man about easy for the ear, you know. Alright, sometimes there. Me I see. You understand what me say, but you don't want to make to see the ear, you know.
Yeah, I don't understand. Trust me, man. You're making confused now. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
me I born and bred right to the root today when I Jamaican want the ear.
Alright.
So when I eat the ear, Wakanda want to see it, you know. Sometimes people they want to tell me.
So where you stay? You stay in this part of London?
No, me I not stay here. Me I stay in Peckham, man.
Oh, Peckham, yeah.
Yeah, me I stay there in the hotel there and people there want to see for the ear when I handle the ear, you know.
Alright.
So people there.
That one on the corner.
Yeah, the one that's a little messy when I ear.
You got a school on the opposite side, next to it.
Yeah, that's the Milamar when I see for the ear.
I know Peckham. I grew up in Peckham.
Ah, Peckham there.
I know around them, mates.
Yeah.
Me.
Ah, no problem, man. Man, I bless up when I hold the ear.
Alright,
Yeah?
send them more, man.
Send them more.
Yes,
London,
yes,
wherever you know.
So what parish are you from? Tell me the parish where you're from.
Me are from Wakanda to Trimalize. The
What?
Trimalize.
Trimalize?
Yes. The Trimalize.
No. You're not.
It's a small.
If you're near Kingston, are you near Kingston?
Me
Or just a little way from
I was
Kingston?
2 hours away from Kingston, little town there, in a small town, maybe 200 people that live in there, so you know. We all know each other there, Wakanda there.
Alright.
You know what I'm saying?
So what's your nearest parish to you?
Nearest not too far from Kingston there. 2 hours away.
Oh,
The nearest one, Trimalizer.
So you're like equivalent, like say from flipping, like Lewisham come down.
Around there,
where
me.
you're coming, like how we're here now, Elephant, and we got over Westminster Bridge.
Oh, yeah.
Once you go Westminster,
city
we're
there.
in West 1, yeah. Yeah, because this is southeast. So after we cross over there, then we go into the city in West End and the big.
I big there when I only
But
ear.
these are the little community town areas.
Yeah, when I only see from the ear, one ear. Oh, me understand, man. Bless them, man.
Yeah, man, set up.
Bless, stay
Man,
blessed.
Man, nice.
Why don't Jamaican men eat pum pum?
I don't know. Maybe you have to ask if I don't know, honestly.
Do you think that maybe? Oh, sorry, getting a call here. 1 sec.
Okay.
Hey, dirty girl. Me not done tell you don't call off my blood clot phone when me there at work. Y'all go suck your mother pussy clot. And my will give you 2 boxing and your bumbo clot face when I come home. Sorry about that. My wife.
No.
No, I always tell her, if I go and act like a roadside gal, then me I could treat you like a roadside gal, you know?
Seriously, I only teach him them
Sorry about
languages.
Anywho, you were saying?
I don't know. I don't remember.
In Jamaica, we don't say I love you. We say easy yourself, man. You don't say you alone. In Jamaica, we don't say I miss you. We say, B, when you come link me, by the time I blink, you have to reach on my foot. In Jamaica, we don't say you're my girlfriend. We say I'm gonna be that. I'm gonna charge you.
You sound white Jamaican.
Yeah.
You white Jamaican.
Anything you want, say, brother.
I ain't never met a white Jamaican. That's crazy.
We're outside.
Jamaica me crazy. Bullet!
Oh. Yeah, a little bit more empathy.
Yeah, yard man, no?
Yeah. For that. You have to have the right stuff.
Yeah. So you out here in UK, but you from Jamaica? Like it's
no, so I'm from the UK, but we represent for Jamaica.
You represent for Jamaica?
Yeah.
What that, like you just saying?
We just represent. Because that is it. I just feel with style.
Fuck it, yeah.
Yeah, you can't go around it. It is what it is. Is it me?
Yeah, it's in you. It's in your blood.
It's just there, naturally.
Fuck it.
Is it me?
All right, so what's your name, man?
Mr. Turnred.
I like that. I like that right there, yeah. Why they call you that? Like, what's the real?
Because we make the turn red.
Yeah.
Yeah. These things from the Jamaican community learn.
Me a
Hey boy.
Yeah.
Me just hear something you
me,
say.
Me I do that. Me a sorry.
Yeah, you know what it is?
Me bad mate.
You know what I'm saying?
Me a bad man. Me a bad man.
Yeah, welcome back to Global Signal for us, and I hope you have watched that video. It's very interesting that most of the Japanese people can even speak fluent Patois. This connection started back in the 90s, where Bob Marley, the musician, and its music reached Japan and stuck in a chord. Reggae message of peace, rebellion, and identity resonated deeply. Fast and forward today, and Japan has its own reggae and dancehall scenes, with Japanese artists performing in fluent Patois. Sound system hosting weekly events and dancers traveling from Kingston to train. The respect is very real, and many aren't just imitating the culture, they're studying it and even teaching it to other people. But of course, it raises questions. Is appreciation or appropriation? While some Jamaicans are proud, others point out that the culture's deep struggle can't be separated from the style. Most agree, but most don't. But the passion of many Japanese fans show it are very genuine. As you can see from the videos, the Japanese can even at the end of the day, these Jamaican links prove that the culture has no borders, just bridges. It's incredible to see two distant islands connected through rhythm, language, and shared love. But as always, it's not just about looking at the parts. It's about understanding the roots. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep the conversation going. Until next time, let's meet in the next episode. Peace, brothers.